Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun winter Dollar Tree sign DIY. We're going to use two of the longer signs like this from the Dollar Tree, put them together to make a large pallet sign, and we're going to do it with a little bit of a fun coastal message in this because I don't like winter at all. Now, to make it a pallet board sign, I'm using some craft sticks, popsicle sticks from the Dollar Tree, and gluing them on. Another thing you can do, which I have done on another sign that worked really well, is use a third one of those signs to glue them all together. It actually works even a little bit better, but this does give you a cool palette board effect where you can see the popsicle sticks behind it. Now it's time to paint it blue. You can do blue like this just for winter. I'm doing it also because it's a great coastal color. So I'm just using this Caribbean blue color and I'm going all over the sign. And we're gonna make a really fun little snowman sign. I don't want it to be promoting winter. I want it to be like a little snowman complaining about winter. It was my goal on this one. This is the image of the cute little snowman that I designed. And I will try to link an image, the printable image down below in the comments below today's video. So you can print this cute little guy out too. And I just printed him out on regular paper so it'd be nice and thin. And I just cut him out like that. And I can use him on both of the palette board signs like that to be a little snowman there. I decided where I kind of wanted the cut to be so I can still have that like opening there since it's a palette board sign. And I always like to cut my images when I'm putting them on something like that so it doesn't kind of cover up that area. And I just attached it with some Mod Podge over here on the right. Now I'm going to do like a hand painted sign with this. You could use your Cricut if you wanted to do vinyl, or you could even do like a stencil or something like that. But I was going for easy with this sign. So after sealing the entire thing with more of the Mod Podge, I'm going to go in with some paint, pens, and write on this. So I'm going to do like kind of the skinny font, which is like the Ray Dunn font here. It's super easy to do if you're doing a freehand. And on the top board, I just put not made for. And on the bottom, I'm going to put winter because I am definitely not made for winter. It was really easy to do and it made the project so much simpler just doing it without my Cricut, honestly. Now, since it is a winter sign and it is kind of about winter, I decided to use some snowflakes too, like a little glitter snowflake there for the eye in winter. And we'll have some falling around the little snowman too, and kind of wherever there's an open place on the sign. I love the light blue color mixed with the white for winter DIYs. And honestly, this wouldn't have to be coastal. Anybody that doesn't enjoy winter would definitely think this was funny. Now, I distressed mine a little bit all over with some white just to kind of blend it all in. I always think a distressed sign is my favorite. And whenever I add something like a printable like that, it's fun to distress it too. It makes it look a little bit less like paper. To finish it off, we're just going to make a hanger here for the back. I'm just going to use some twine and glue it to the back. It's pretty lightweight, these signs from the Dollar Tree, and just glue a simple little hanger there on the back. I love how this sign turned out, and I am definitely not made for winter, and this is how it turned out. If you'd like more winter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.